Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to see how to fix Acer laptop keyboard not typing letters. Having trouble with your Acer laptop keyboard not typing letters? Let's go through some troubleshooting steps to help identify and possibly fix the issue. Restart your laptop, complete shutdown, press and hold the power button until your laptop shut down completely. Remove power sources, unplug the power cable and if you can, take out the battery. Wait briefly. Leave the laptop off for about a minute. Reconnect and power on. Put the battery back in if you removed it. Plug in the power cable and turn your laptop back on. This process can help reset the hardware and fix minor glitches. Check for external device conflicts. Disconnect peripherals. Take out all external devices like USB drives, external keyboard, and mice. Test keyboard. After disconnecting everything, try using the built in keyboard to see if the problem still exists. Disable filter keys. Access settings. Click on the start menu and select navigate to accessibility. Choose accessibility, then select keyboard. Turn off filter keys. Ensure the filter keys option is turned off. Filter keys can cause the keyboard to ignore brief or repeated keystrokes, leading to unresponsive keys. Update or reinstall keyboard drivers. Open Device Manager, press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Locate keyboard driver, expand the keyboard section, right click on your keyboard device and choose uninstall device. Restart your laptop. Upon reboot, Windows should automatically reinstall the appropriate drivers. Outdated or corrupted driver can lead to keyboard malfunctions. Run the keyboard troubleshooter. Access troubleshooter, go to settings, then go to update and security. Troubleshoot, run troubleshooter, find and run the keyboard troubleshooter to detect and fix issues. This tool can automatically identify and resolve common problems. Check keyboard layout settings. Access language settings, navigate to settings, then go to time and language, then go to language, verify keyboard layout, ensure your preferred language is selected and click on options to confirm the correct keyboard layout is active. An incorrect layout can cause certain keys to produce unexpected characters or not respond. Inspect hardware issues. Test with external keyboard. Connect an external USB keyboard to determine if the issue is with the built in keyboard. Check for physical damage. Look for signs of damage, debris, or a dirt under the keys. Cleaning the keyboard gently can sometimes restore functionality. If the external keyboard works fine, the built in keyboard might be faulty.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.